this lesson I will show you how to create some earrings using yarn and a crochet. I will create some round earrings. In order to create the earrings, first of all I will create a ring and the magic ring on which I will create the round shape. In order to create the magic ring, I will put the yarns like this on my fingers. So I grab the yarn with the thumb, I put the yarn around my two fingers here, and I cross these yarns like this. Then I will put the crochet under the first yarn. I will grab the second yarn like this and I will turn the yarn around to create the first loop here. And now I will let go of this magic ring that I have created and I will create the first loop like this. So I have created the first loop. And now I will make a few more loops. So this is the loops. Like this. So I added four more loops. And now let's begin making the round shape. I will take this yarn, put it around my crochet like this. And now I will put the crochet through the magic ring and I will grab the yarn like this so that I have created these two loops. Now again I will grab the yarn this way with the hook of the crochet and take it out through these two rings. Like this. So let's repeat. So I make another loop like this and take it out through these two rings this way. And now I have two loops here. And again I grab the yarn and take the yarn out through these two loops, and I have created one loop. And now I have this loop. Again I will put the yarn around my crochet. Now I will put the crochet through the ring and I grab the cord like this. And now I will grab the yarn and take it out through these two loops and make another loop. And then again I take the yarn like this and make another loop. So I have made two loops like this, and now again I will turn the crochet around, the yarn around my crochet, put the crochet through the loop, then I grab the yarn like this and I create another loop. And now I have these two loops here. I will grab the yarn again with the crochet and take it through the two loops that I have created here. And now again I will take the yarn through these two loops and I have created another loop. So I put the cord around my crochet and I put it then through the magic ring like this. I create the two loops here. I grab the cord and take it out through the two loops like this, and again I take the yarn and put it through my two loops, and I have created another loop. And I will continue making those loops until I finish creating the ring. And now I have made the last loop, and let's create the round shape. I will take this, unwind this ring here, and I will pull on the ring, and as you can see the ring becomes smaller like this. So I have closed the ring, and now I will take the crochet and I will grab the loop here and I will make one loop like this, in order to close this ring. Now I will take the scissors and cut So I will take the scissors and cut the cord like this. And now I have created this ring. And I will take this end of the cord and with my crochet I will put it underneath these loops so that it disappears in my earring. Like this. Let's take another loop. And I'll take another loop from here. Like this, and I will cut the end of this cord. And let's also get rid of the white yarn. I will also put the white yarn in between the other yarns. Like this. I will also cut this yarn. And I have created one of my earrings. And I will create the second earring by using the same steps. And now that I have created the two crochet shapes, flower shapes, let's start making the earrings. In order to make the earrings, I will take some jump rings and I will grab the jump rings with the pliers, with my chain nose pliers, and using the jump ring opener, I will open the jump rings like this. And now I will take one of those Now I will take one of those flowers and I will put the jump ring through the flower like this. So I have put the jump ring through the flower like this. And now I will take one of those fishhook ear wires and put it on the jump ring, and I will close the jump ring. Like this. And I have created the first earring. And now let's also take the second earring. I will open the jump ring with the pliers and the jump ring opener. I will put the jump ring through the earring like this, through the flower decoration. And now I will put the fishhook ear wire, but I will put the fishhook ear wire in the opposite direction so that the front of the earring will be always in the same direction. Now I will close the jump ring with the pliers like this, and I have created the second earring as well. So these are my two earrings, and as you can see, in order to create a pair of crochet earrings, you only have to learn how to create the pattern the flower pattern, the round pattern for this kind of earrings. So this is what the finished earrings look like.